Hey there, and welcome back to my channel, where we explore everything photography from gear to editing, lighting, and more. Today, we'll be discussing an essential tool for every modern photographer. That's website hosting. If you're a photographer looking to build your brand, showcase your work, and service your clients seamlessly, I've got something special for you today. Today, we're diving into Pixpa.com, a web hosting platform tailor-made for creatives like us. And trust me, it's packed with features that make running your photography business a breeze. Let's get into it. All right, first things first. What is Pixpa? Pixpa is a website builder and hosting platform that's designed specifically for creative professionals, especially photographers. It combines website building, client galleries, e-commerce, and so much more, all in one platform. But what makes it truly stand out? Let me break down the features photographers will absolutely love. Starting with an easy website builder, Pixpa offers tons of customizable templates that are sleek and professional. Whether you shoot weddings, portraits, or landscapes, there's a template here that suits your vibe. The drag and drop editor is intuitive, so no coding skills are required. Just upload your images, tweak the layout, and you're set. Now, let's talk about client galleries, a game changer for photographers. Pixpa lets you create private or public client galleries where your clients can view, select, and even download their photos. The best part, it's super customizable. You can add password protection, let clients mark their favorites, or set up customizable download permissions. It's like giving your clients a high-end personalized experience, all while keeping your workflow organized. Now, personally, I use client galleries to send my clients their proofs to the photos that they can select and make their favorite decisions on for me to edit later on. Next up is Print Lab integration. For photographers selling digital prints or offering print products, Pixpa makes it seamless. Yes, there is an option for you to fulfill the order yourself, or you can connect to Print Lab directly so clients can order prints, photo books, or wall art right from their gallery. Pixpa handles the order fulfillment while you earn the profits. And speaking of selling, Pixpa has a full-fledged e-commerce platform built in. Whether you're selling digital downloads, prints, your service, or even photography workshops, you can set up your store in minutes. Plus, the platform supports multiple payment options, so getting paid is hassle-free. I use my store to feature special promotions that I'm offering of my photography, like on Black Friday or a holiday discount. With Pixpa taking zero fees from any of the orders processed on my site, 100% of my payments are sent directly to my PayPal account. Another awesome feature is business tools like analytics. You could track your website traffic, see which galleries are performing the best, and get insights into your sales, all in one dashboard. It's data that helps you grow smarter with your business. So, why choose Pixpa over the other platforms? Simple, it's an all-in-one solution designed with creatives in mind, especially photographers. From showcasing your portfolio to serving your clients and running an online store, Pixpa streamlines everything into one platform, saving you time and effort. And the cherry on top, it's super affordable compared to hiring a professional web designer or piecing together separate services for hosting, galleries, and e-commerce. Before Pixpa, I had to use 3 different sites in order to fulfill all of the needs of my clients. One for my portfolio, one for hosting and sending the proofs to my clients, and another one to send the final images for the clients to download. Now, that's a thing of the past. Now, they do offer a 15-day free trial, so you could test drive the platform before committing. And of course, don't worry now, no credit card is needed. And if you decide to go for it, their pricing plans are transparent and won't break the bank. Click the link in the description section of this video or head to Pixpa.com, that's Pixpa.com, and use the discount code at checkout, Robert55, to receive a 55% discount on the annual plan. All right, folks, that's my take on Pixpa.com. If you're serious about leveling up your photography brand, giving your clients an amazing experience, and making money from your passion, Pixpa is worth checking out. I'll leave a link in the description section, as I mentioned below, for you to sample this website out for yourself during its 15-day free trial. Let me know in the comments Have you tried Pixpa? Have you heard of it? What features stand out to you? Let's hear it down below in the comment section. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more, don't forget to press that like, that share, that subscribe, and you already know, hit the bell icon to get notifications for my upcoming content. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.